You don't need a massive budget to break free of your debt and achieve financial freedom. In fact, you need less than the cost of this cell phone. Hi, I'm Deborah. I'm a wife of 32 years. I've got 2 grown children. I've got a grandbaby that I love with all of my heart and want to spend more time with. And I've been flipping houses for the last 5 years. My story kind of starts about a year ago when the stock market, the interest rates went up, the housing market crashed, and I got stuck with a house I intended to flip. It's quite a bit of expense. Carrying costs were eating us up, and we had to find a way to get more money coming in. My business partner and I started looking, and we found digital marketing. This is what I'm doing, digital marketing. I'm getting online. I'm telling people about a product that can change their life. It can lead them to $900 a day passive daily income, or $600, or $300, or $100. Depends on what product you buy. I bought the good one. I want the money fast. So if you want to know more, put info in the comments and we'll help you get started on this road.